Cocoa mousse.
I woke up with a craving, it's a sugar kind of day. My taste buds are dancing, leading me the way to chocolate cakes and cookies and pies made with cream. I'm living in a desert dream. Got a slice of heaven that's drizzled in caramel, layers of flavor like a story to tell. Sprinkles on my heart, frosting on my mind. Every bite is sweeter, love in every kind. Give me brownies, give me pies, sundaes stacked up to the skies. Candy coated dreams so grand, with a spoon or with my hand. Sugar highs that never fade, this is my sweet tooth serenade. From cupcakes to creme brulee, I could eat desserts all day. Macarons are calling from the window pane, with rainbow colors in the sweetest parade. Sticky toffee pudding melts away my blues. Ice cream rivers in every scoop I choose. Cinnamon rolls and donuts take a spin with powdered sugar clouds. Let the feast begin. Eclairs and tarts in a cheesecake delight. The world's so much sweeter when dessert's in sight. Give me brownies, give me pies, sundaes stacked up to the skies. Candy coated dreams so grand, with a spoon or with my hand. Sugar highs that never fade, this is my sweet tooth serenade. From cupcakes to creme brulee, I could eat desserts all day.